In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remap keyboard keys in Windows 10 or 11. This is a really handy skill that can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you have keys that are broken, or you just want to change how they function for a more personalized setup. Let's get started. First, open your computer and navigate to the Microsoft Store. This is where we'll find the essential tool needed for this task. Now, within the Microsoft Store, you're going to use the search function to look for Microsoft PowerToys. This suite of utilities is incredibly powerful and a great friend to anyone who spends lots of time customizing their Windows experience. After you've found Microsoft PowerToys, the next step is to click to install it. The installation should more or less be straightforward, so just follow the usual prompts and wait until the process is complete. Once installed, go ahead and open PowerToys. This is where we'll do all the magic to remap your keyboard keys. With PowerToys open, take a look at the Options menu and find the Input and Output section. Click on it, as this is where the keyboard management features are located. You'll want to look specifically for Keyboard Manager. Click on it, and you're almost ready to begin remapping. Before you start assigning new functions to your keys, ensure that the Enable Keyboard Manager option is toggled on. Without this feature activated, any changes you make won't take effect, and we don't want all our efforts to go to waste. Now, click on Remap a Key. This brings up a window, which is where you'll actually perform the key remapping. You'll see an option to Add Key Remapping. Click on that. Here, you can choose which key you want to change and what new function or key you want it to perform. Whether you're switching a control key to act as a different one or setting up custom shortcuts, this is where your creativity and personal needs come into play. Once you've added your key remappings and you're happy with the setup, it's time to finalize your configuration. Click OK to save all changes, and when prompted, confirm by clicking Continue Anyway. This final step ensures that Windows recognizes the remapping and will apply the changes system-wide. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've transformed how your keyboard works for you. By following these straightforward steps, you've unlocked a tailored typing experience that can make everyday computer tasks more efficient. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly configured keyboard.